welcome parents to our digital curriculum night. Okay, my name is Mr. Lohman, and I am your child's 8th grade math teacher. I've been in the county this is my 14th year teaching at Vickery Creek Middle School. I've taught mostly 8th grade. Before that, I've taught in Florida for about 6 years. 6 or 7 years. I taught in South Florida, Coral Springs. I don't know if anybody's familiar with South Florida. Originally from New York, if you could tell from my accent. What we'll be doing this year is we'll be preparing your child for algebra in high school. Okay? And we'll be going over some pre-algebra and some algebra concepts. This unit we're going over now is related to exponents, real and irrational numbers. We're going to get into some graphing, lines. We're going to be doing algebraic equations, inequalities, and we'll wrap up the end of the year with a little bit of geometry. Okay, so it's kind of a mixture of everything, just to get them prepared. So my job really is just to get them prepared for high school. Okay? And next year they'll be taking Algebra 1, and then after that Geometry, Algebra 2, and so on. As far as my pacing goes, we have 90-minute classes now, so that's a little different for the kids to get used to. So they see me every other day. We usually do a unit a day. We have approximately 2 quizzes, and then we'll have a summative test. All my tests are announced well in advance. You will see all this information on It's Learning. Okay, so everything we teach in class is going to be on It's Learning. All the announcements as far as tests will be on It's Learning, so there will be no surprises. Your child should not be surprised that they're going to be having a math test coming up. Okay, I believe our first summative test will be sometime after our fall break. Okay. Like I said, most of the materials found in It's Learning. I'm sure most of you have become It's Learning whizzes by now with all the online learning that we did last year. So the best way to reach me will be to email me. Okay, my email address clohman@forsyth.k12.ga.us, and you'll find that on my It's Learning website too. Okay, so please, if there's any problems, questions, concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. And I just want to let you know that I'm really excited to be back in the classroom, teaching your child face to face, and we're going to have a great year this year. Thank you.